Hey, it's Ash Raven, day 2 of our liquor day. I'll be right with you after I make breakfast. Alright, this is lick number 2 and we'll do a blues lick again. This is on the key of B, works on a B7, and this is in the style of British blues, so it's reminiscent of Eric Clapton, early Eric Clapton, John Mayall, all that kind of scene. This is a repeating lick with triplets, so it goes like this. So the important thing to remember is that micro bend towards the end of the lick, which is like a quarter note bend, and then goes back to the root. So that gives you the distinctive blues in between minor and major third blues sound. So slowly. So if you break it down, we take the 9th on the G, bend it up to 11, 7 on the B, 10 on the B, and then you pull off to 7, pull off to 7, and then you repeat. Then on your 4th repeat you go do the same, then pull off to 7, then play the 9th on the G string, back to 7 on the B string, and then you roll your first finger up to 7, and then you smear it a little bit, smear bend or micro bend, and then you go back to the 9th on the B, 9th of the D string, sorry. So just the last bit is, and you do a vibrato at the end. So one more time. Alright, there you have it, lick number 2 of hopefully 365 licks.